Did you know that the most common thought for every human being on Earth is the thought of money and financial independence? No matter what you want to think about, it will always require money. That is why work takes up to half of the conscious life for almost every person. Despite this, for almost all people, financial success is still just a dream. And now, imagine that today, every person on the planet will share $1 with you. It will not be difficult for them, but you will wake up a billionaire in the morning. Too easy? Yes. The only question is how to encourage them to do it. By becoming a member of the multi-level system of structuring, GlobaxChain, every day, you will receive tens and hundreds of dollars transferred to your account. And not for one, but for a few dollars. People from all over the world will be interested in transferring money to you. And here's why. The whole process of participation is reduced to simple registrations, which are structured into endless chains of relationships on a binary blockchain system. And with the help of voluntary crowdfunding, which is built into the system, the financial interest of each person is achieved. In fact, we produce a kind of census of the world's population, where the location of each person would be taken into account, including the city and state, as it is today, but in the global structure and global hierarchy. The goal of the GlobaxChain startup is to repeat the already proven theory of 6 handshakes, through which the largest companies and many financially successful people you know earn money. There are no mandatory payments in the system, and you can participate without investing a penny. But there is also a paid membership available, which is $33 per year. Its purchase assigns the status of a paid participant and gives an increased profit in comparison with a free participant, as well as additional earnings formed from points on an infinite binary system. But more on that later. When a paid participant appears, $33 is distributed to 8 people who are connected to the 8th level. The first level gets $5. From the 2nd to the 7th, $3. And $7 goes to the person who is on the 8th level. The remaining $3 is the revenue of the GlobaxChain system. Each registration of a new person is built into a multi-level system, raising all the previous sales one level up, creating a condition of geometric progression. And when a paid participant appears at any level, people in the 8th-level relationship earn money, according to the presented instruction. Let's look at an example of how it all works. You can only register using the referral link of one of the participants. After registration, you will receive your own referral link to the GlobaxChain website, which you can place on the internet or share it via any messenger. Each person who will follow it and register will take a cell in your structure and also get their own referral link, which can also be passed to other people. For example, only 5 people have registered on your link, and each of the following, already on their referral links, will also register only 5. Let's assume that only 20% of people will want to pay for participation. Under these conditions, the following will happen. In the first level, you will have 5 people. One of them will pay for participation, and you will earn $5, which will be instantly transferred to your personal account. In the second level, you will have 25 new people, and your earnings will be $15. This process will repeat exactly the same way, and when 125 people are reached, you get $75. At the next level, you will have 625 participants, and your income will be $375. Next in your network, 3,125 people, and you get another $1,875. Next, it's 15,625 people, and your profit is $9,375. In the 7th level, you will have 78,125 new members, and your income is $46,875. $275. And finally, in the 8th level, it is 390,625 people, and you will earn $546,875. At the same time, the total amount of transfers that you will receive in the form of crowdfunding will be $605,470. And that's if only 20% of people want to purchase the advanced features of the GlobaxChain. In fact, there can be many more paid participants, as well as people who can be invited by you or all subsequent people. If you want to pay for participation, you will receive 3% more. But that's not all. For each payment, the system charges 1 point on the binary system from any depth of your levels, not only from the 1st to the 8th. And if you are a paid participant yourself, you can earn additional points. Every 900 points accumulated in the left and right binary network symmetrically bring you $100 extra. It's called a check. If you observe the symmetry of the accumulated points in the example above, you will receive 108 checks for $100, which will be plus $10,800 to your income. And this does not include any subsequent levels from which you will also accumulate points, transferred to checks and instantly arrive at your personal details. In addition, for the first 15 days after registration, any participant can earn an additional speed bonus, which is equal to 5% of their income. Accordingly, the free participant gets 5% more, paid 8. It should be noted that the annual extension of paid opportunities by people brings exactly the same profit, creating a constant and daily source of income for you and all people. And this is in spite of the fact that once you invited only a few people, and perhaps you and they are still the status of free users. Join the GlobaxChain international structuring system now. Invite a few friends and just watch as your network grows and your account receives money.